Hi, this video will help you understand what is TAM ESSO virtual appliance. You might would have seen a sales flash or a document sent to you with the information about it. I'm just going to go through that document or the sales flash. What is TAM ESSO virtual appliance? It is a sales kit basically that can be used by any one of you to do one of these 5 functions. You can, after installation of the sales kit, you can run a TAM ESSO flash demo, which takes 8 minutes, or a TAM ESSO customer testimonial, 11 minutes, or a TAM ESSO feature functionality demo recorded in my voice, which runs for 36 minutes and talks about 10 top functionalities of TAM ESSO. And you notice these ones are in the black, which means it does not require anything else. These are basically videos that you can run for your customers or your meetings. The last two are very interesting and good ones. The item number 4 is TAM ESSO hands-on demo using virtual appliance. This is basically same as your VMwares that you might be using or the technical salespeople use. This is pre-configured and there is a script in terms of PowerPoint to follow. So you just follow through the script, use the virtual appliance, and you can do the same demo which I am doing in a 36-minute video in item number 3. Or your customers wants to touch the software, want to play with it, make configuration changes, add new applications, all those things are possible in the hands-on demo. And finally, the most powerful of it all, TAM ESSO POC or POT using virtual appliance. The same infrastructure can be used as a POC material. It will obviously serve as your server, and then you can connect any number of clients to this server. The documentation on exactly what to do when you start at time t equals to 0, and then as the first hour passes through, second hour, third hour, and fourth hour, is available in form of web pages. You probably do not need a lot of technical experience with the product to be able to do the cookie cutter POC that we are talking about here. We understand that in the POC you are asked to do things outside of what is given here in the appliance, and for those you will have to do, either you have to have the training or you will have to understand what customer is asking and then translate it to the changes that you make. But as far as the basic set of things that we do in POC is concerned, it is pre-configured. It shouldn't take you more than a day to do this using the virtual appliance, and that's the idea. So those are the top 5 or the 5 things that you can do with virtual appliance. How does it run? Well, it's distributed either as a DVD or a flash memory drive. We really like the flash memory drive because it gives the customer the feeling that it is actually an appliance, or there is a physical entry involved with this. However, it's independent. You can carry it in, you can pass it in the method that you want. It is approximately 4 GB, so make arrangements according to that size. And it requires 10 GB, so during installation of that media it will take 10 GB space on your laptop or desktop or the customer's laptop. It requires a simple Windows XP machine, and it will just install like any other software and would take that 10 GB space. It does not require any pre-installed software to run. Everything is built inside, so you don't need to worry about asking for one or the other thing. In terms of hardware, you should make sure that the machine you're installing on has at least 2 GB RAM and has 2 GHz CPU or above and 10 GB hard disk space, free hard disk space. Who can use it? IBMers, business partners, customers, all of them, and basically anybody. We have expiration built into it, and therefore we do not really care about who is using it. You can freely pass it to your business partners and customers. How do I get it? If you are an IBMer, you have the internal access to the GSA location here, and for external access, currently you have to write an email to sso@us.ibm.com, and we will send you a reply with the instructions to download it. Expiration. It has a 30-day expiration built into it, which is very difficult to bypass. So it is suggested, and this 30-day timer starts after you first install it, which means if you're carrying it in a DVD, you can make hundreds of copies, and each one of them is valid um, till the time, or that DVD is not expiring. It's the installed copy of it which will expire. Who to contact for more info? We suggest going on to TAM ESSO forum. The URL is right here, and there is already a bunch of information about it. You can read from it, or you can ask a question on the forum and you'll get a response fairly quickly. If you have questions regarding what this appliance is and you're trying to understand what you can do, what you cannot, you can contact me on my email address below. What is the technology behind it? It's basically Microsoft Virtual PC, which is similar to VMware that you are used to using. And then inside the virtual PC, you are running a Windows 2K3 server, and IBM DB2 database and TAM ESSO pre-configured. All of this is available to use in a license-free model for first 30 days. And you don't have to worry about any license for any one of these items here. And that's the end of it. Hopefully all your questions regarding what it is and what it can do will be clarified. Thank you.